Have you ever wondered if all Mercedes-Benz cars are as reliable as their reputation suggests? While many models are top tier, some have fallen short, plagued by issues and recalls. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 most unreliable Mercedes-Benz cars that you should steer clear of. Let's dive in. Number 10. 1997-2004 Mercedes-Benz A-Class W168. The first-generation A-Class is infamous for its unattractive design and critical safety failings, notably flipping over during the Moose test. Despite a massive recall and rebuild effort, the A-Class remained plagued by issues. Its transversely mounted engine was easily damaged and hard to access, and the CVT automatic transmission had a disappointingly short lifespan, cementing its reputation as an unreliable model. Number 9. 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The 2015 C-Class, the first of the W205 generation, quickly gained a reputation for poor reliability. Owners faced numerous issues with the powertrain and electrical systems, resulting in 13 recalls. Maintenance costs were unexpectedly high, and problems with the fuel propulsion system were significant. A recall for loss of steering function involving 10,509 vehicles highlighted the severe reliability concerns with this compact luxury sedan. Number 8. 1996-2002 Mercedes-Benz E-Class W210. Following the highly praised W124, the W210 E-Class was a disappointment in terms of reliability. Its fundamental components were prone to rusting, with the water-based paint and suspension spring perches being particularly susceptible to water damage. Additionally, the W210 E-Class suffered from severe electrical issues, faulty valve cover gaskets, and frequent suspension failures. These issues undermined the model's overall quality and tarnished the reputation of the E-Class during these years. Number 7. 2003-2008 Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211. The W211 E-Class, especially pre-facelift models from 2003 to 2006, was plagued by significant issues. The Sensotronic brake control system was prone to failure, and the airmatic suspension was unreliable. Even post-facelift, the fuel system and powertrain issues persisted, making the W211 a problematic choice. Only the 2009 model year is generally considered safe for buyers. Number 6. 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2014 E-Class, part of the W212 generation, proved problematic despite its predecessor's generally reliable reputation. This model year experienced 9 recalls for various issues, including oil leaks onto the engine and rubber seals coming into contact with the exhaust system, both of which posed fire hazards. Airbag malfunctions and numerous powertrain and electrical issues also plagued this model, making it one to avoid despite the facelift's aesthetic improvements. Number 5. 2002 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The 2002 M-Class, particularly the ML320, faced numerous reliability problems. Major issues included power steering malfunctions and faulty cruise control systems, both leading to recalls. Additionally, frequent ABS failures, easily broken door locks, and various electrical component problems made this model a nightmare for owners, highlighting its significant maintenance and safety concerns. Number 4. 2006 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The 2006 M-Class, debuting the SUV's second generation, continued to disappoint in terms of reliability. Engine failure was a common issue, often caused by a faulty camshaft adjuster solenoid in gasoline models or a crankshaft sensor failure in diesel models. Only the diesel models were recalled, leaving gasoline versions vulnerable to serious engine problems. Another critical concern was the brake booster housing unit's susceptibility to corrosion, leading to potential brake system failures and increasing the risk of accidents. Number 3. 2007-2008 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. The early years of the GL Class, particularly 2007 and 2008, were riddled with reliability issues. The 2007 model received 119 complaints reported to the NHTSA, while the 2008 model had over 80. Both model years were equipped with adaptive air suspension and brake boosters prone to failure. Engine problems and faulty blind spot monitoring systems were also common, making these years of the GL class a significant risk for prospective buyers. Number 2. 2003-2005 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. The 2003-2005 SL Class models of the R230 generation are notorious for rust issues, particularly the early models before Mercedes began galvanizing the body panels. These cars also suffered from frequent active body control, ABC, suspension failures, and sensotronic brake malfunctions. Transmission problems further marred the reliability of these models, making them a poor choice despite their otherwise luxurious appeal and advanced features. Number 1. 2007 Mercedes-Benz S550. The 2007 S550, the inaugural model of the W221 generation, is notorious for its unreliable performance. A critical flaw in the M273 gear attached to the timing chain led to severe engine damage or total failure. Repairing this required dismantling the entire engine, making it a costly fix. Additionally, the 2007 S550 faced transmission and active body control system issues, making it a model to avoid. And there you have it, the top 10 most unreliable Mercedes-Benz cars. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on cars. Thanks for watching.
While BMWs are known for luxury and performance, not all of their cars live up to the hype. Some models are notorious for frequent breakdowns, high repair costs, and reliability issues that can quickly drain your wallet. So, if you're in the market for a BMW, keep watching to find out which models you should steer clear of. Number 1. BMW X5, 2011 to 2014, 2019 models. First up is the BMW X5, particularly the models from 2011 to 2014 and the 2019 version. The X5 might look great, but it comes with a laundry list of problems. Car Complaints highlights 2011 as the worst year, mainly because of a serious issue: the engine stalling while driving, typically around 68,000 miles. Fixing this could set you back about $4,400, which is no small change. Furthermore, with clutch gives the X5 a low reliability rating of 39 out of 100. On average, you might spend around $1,166 each year just to keep your X5 running. Common problems include leaks from the interior, transmission issues, and oil leaks. Owning an X5 can feel like you're constantly putting out fires, both literally and figuratively. Number 2. BMW E60 M5, 2004 to 2010 models. Next, we have the BMW E60 M5, a car that's both thrilling and costly. Known for its V10 engine with 500 horsepower, this sedan can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. But all that power comes at a steep price. The E60 M5 is infamous for its high maintenance costs. Owners often face a slew of issues, including valve cover gasket leaks, transmission problems, rod bearing failures, and idle and throttle actuator issues. According to RepairPal, you might shell out about $1,173 annually to keep the M5 on the road. While some car enthusiasts love their M5s despite these issues, it's a relationship that demands both time and money. Unless you're prepared for the commitment, it might be best to admire this car from a distance. Number 3. BMW E71 X6, 2008 to 2010 models. The BMW E71 X6, particularly the 2008 to 2010 models, is another SUV that can cost you more than expected. Known for having problems with the fuel pump, cooling system, oil leaks, and solenoid issues, the X6 is a headache waiting to happen. With clutch, rates its reliability at just 24.8 out of 100, far below the industry average. On top of that, RepairPal gives the X6 a poor rating, with maintenance costs averaging around $1,206 per year. Owners often find themselves dealing with at least one major repair each year that costs over $1,000. For a compact SUV, the X6 might leave you feeling anything but compact when it comes to your repair bills. Number 4. BMW 3 Series, 2007 to 2013 models. The BMW 3 Series, available in coupe, sedan, and convertible options, is another model plagued by reliability issues. The 2007 to 2013 models, in particular, are known for their fair share of problems, including oil leaks, excessive vibrations, failing power windows, and overheating engines. Some models even faced recalls due to faulty airbags. Despite its performance and stylish design, the BMW 3 Series can be a financial burden. RepairPal notes that the 2011 model, for instance, has an average annual maintenance cost of around $1,030. If you're looking for a car that doesn't constantly need repairs, you might want to avoid this series. Number 5. BMW X3, 2013, 2015, and 2020 models. Lastly, we have the BMW X3, especially the 2013, 2015, and 2020 models. The X3 shares several parts with the X5, which means it also shares many of the same issues, such as oil leaks, sunroof water leaks, and timing chain guide failures. With Clutch gives the X3 a reliability score of just 50.3 out of 100, and the car frequently requires major repairs that cost over $1,000. Typically, owners can expect these expensive repairs to occur 2.52 times over 3 years, which is almost double the industry average of 1.3 times. If you're thinking of buying an X3, be prepared for some hefty bills. In the end, owning a BMW doesn't always mean a smooth ride. The models we've discussed might look appealing, but they come with their fair share of headaches and high costs. So, if reliability and low maintenance are top priorities for you, you might want to look elsewhere. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more car advice. Thanks for watching.